Are you ready? Hi guys, I'm Bilal Ijaz. Today we are going to discuss about name of days. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready guys? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday नहीं बोलना Wednesday, 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 Wednesday नहीं ये word है Wednesday, 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 Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. बोले bye bye.